Hi guys, my name's Nathan. Today we're learning about nature and how it works. So about nature, the biggest thing is where in the water, the blue whale, and the smallest thing is krill. It's very, very, very weird that the biggest thing eats the smallest things. And it's actually quite quite genius because many people will not know this, but the little things you eat, the little things you eat for the blue whale is actually more energy than big things, not that much energy. And also, this might be weird, but ball pythons, they don't attack people. They just hide. But right now I have a leopard gecko up in my room over there. And right now he's in my rock. But the things also about leopard geckos need water and you need a light preserver and you need sorry if I said it wrong the first time, but you need light source of heat because they live in the desert. And also you need hiding spots. The food is crickets, mealworms, waxworms, and that's basically it. But their tail has storage and water in them, and many people may already know this, but they can cut their tail off, or no, they can split apart their tail. And then also one very cool thing is that the leopard gecko doesn't have sticky pads. It has claws. If you didn't know that. And also, when it doesn't grow the tail back the same. It grows kind of like a carrot shape. Okay. And also a cobra, king cobras, they don't have they don't have a different toxic venom with cobras. They just have more venom, not more toxic venom. And it's enough to scare off predators like a mongoose. Yeah. And also the cobras are the longest venomous snake in the world. And the venomous snake is the England taipan. Second, black mamba. Also, the snakes that move like caterpillars or inchworms are the gaboon viper, and I forgot the rest. But also, anacondas, when they breed, the males die. Yeah. And one time you think saltwater crocodiles are the biggest crocodiles in the world. Wrong. Because this super prehistoric crocodile lived over the dinosaurs. And it was nicknamed Super Croc. Super Croc. You heard me. Super Croc. But he stalks his prey. And then he's able to eat a T-Rex. That's how big he is. But that's all I have to tell you right now. If you want me to make another video, tell me in the comments, okay? Bye guys. Bye.